Help support the companies that support our community. there we go. I got her all done, and I used the watercolor. These are watercolor pens, and it gives a really vibrant color. You might see like tops with just regular colored pens, but I think the color is much richer on these. It's really a vibrant color. So it's super cool, and you just turn the lathe on slow and paint it on, and I use the texturing tool. So that is I believe it's the Robert Sorby. I don't see any marks on it, but I got it quite a while ago, and I'm pretty sure it's a Robert Sorby. I'll look it up and have it down below in the description, but it works really cool. You can actually hold it straight up and down in texture, or you can turn it to the side and it does different effects. So it's a super cool tool. I've had that for a while, so super fun project. So I made this one. This was the one in the video. It didn't spin really well, so I didn't know whether the base was too flat on it, so I made another one. This one here, they both span about the same. I don't think it matters, how sloped the bottom is, but basically I just did the same exact thing, just a little bit bigger. So originally I was going to do one with arms. So I did one with arms too. Little gal here, but she just won't spin for more than about 2 seconds. I'll show you here. So if you've ever done one of these, please shoot me a link on how you did it, because she spins for, I don't know, literally 2 or 3 seconds and then flops over. I think it has to be just dead on perfect for it to spin, but super cute. Yeah, we were looking for a project idea, and we came across a top like that, and Robert goes, "Oh, I used to have one of those." I go, "Well, I can make one. I can make one but I can't make one that spins very long." But it was a fun project. These are super easy to do. Tops are super popular. Everybody loves them, so it's a fun project. All right, I think that is about it. Please, if you've made one with the arms where it spins, please shoot me a message. All right. Hope you have a great weekend, and take care. Bye.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one.
Okay, now get that other one going. Go get that one going while that one.
No.
Alright. Okay. Okay, see, I think I should be like those.
How are we gonna get her to spin?
We haven't. Just don't. Maybe. I don't
What?
know. I don't know.
Oh, just have her sitting there. There you go.
Oh, good one. Your arm.